Your polisher uses a variable speed switch. The switch turns the polisher on and off and allows you to vary the speed. Over time, the switch can fail. It may no longer turn the polisher on, might work intermittently, or might only run at one speed. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top half of the rear handle. The switch is secured to the housing with a single screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. Then I'll lift the switch from the housing and take note of the location of each of the wires. I'll remove the black and purple wire. Then the white cord wire. The white wire leading to the motor. The red wire. And the black motor wire. And last, the black cord wire. Now I can install the new switch. First the black cord wire, then the white cord wire, the red wire, then the white motor wire, the black motor wire, and then on the side of the switch, the black wire, and the purple wire. And I'll place the switch back into the housing. And secure it with the screw. Now reinstall the top half of the handle and secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new switch on your polisher. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.